In this video, I will show you how to turn off insert key in Windows 11. So to get started, you need to go ahead and open Registry Editor. So press Win R on your keyboard and then the Registry Editor will pop on the screen. So in here, simply enter regedit and then hit on that enter button. So you just need to go ahead and allow regedit, such as accessing regedit, and then this pop-up will pop on your screen. So in this section, you just need to enter hkey underscore local underscore machine slash system slash current control set slash control slash keyboard and then space layout. Now after that, you need to go ahead and create a new binary value. So right click on new and binary value, name it to something memorable, and then enter this value to disable insert key. So enter 00 space 00 space 00 space 00. So you need to enter 00 space 00 8 times and then 02 and then 00 again for the rest. And then after that, you need to restart your PC and the insert key will now be disabled. And that is how you can basically turn off insert key in Windows 11.